Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Victorian age. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 242 up to part 10. This is part 11. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन जानना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट का क्वेश्चन नंबर 243। आउटरीमर अ पिलग्रिमेज बियॉन्ड द सी बाय लॉन्गफेलो इज ए। Option A poetry work, option B prose work, option C novel and option D play. Option D play. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B prose work. Now question number 244. A semi autobiographical romance interspersed a semi autobiographical romance interspersed with prose and verse and concerned with German Romanticism by H.W. Longfellow is option A Hyperion, option B Endymion, option C Evangeline and option D Ultima Thule. So which one is the correct answer? Option A Hyperion is the correct answer. Dear friend, question number 245. Name the book of H.W. Longfellow wherein poems like A Psalm of Life and Hymeneal of the Night appear. Option A Hyperion, option B Ballads and Sonnets, option C Voice of the Night and option D Hiawatha. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Voice of the Night. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 246. Name the book of H.W. Longfellow which was published in 1841 and which contains such beautiful poems like The Village Blacksmith, Elixir and The Skeleton in Armor. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Ballads and Sonnets. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 247. Which of the following works published in 1845 by H.W. Longfellow has his famous poem The Arrow and the Song? The Arrow and the Song. So which one is the correct answer? The Arrow and the Song. So which one is the correct answer? Option A The Belfry of Bridges, option B Caramus, option C Poems on Slavery and option D Ultima Thule. So which one is the correct answer? Option A The Belfry of Bruges is the correct answer. Now question number 248. 248 जो क्वेश्चन है लिखा हुआ है Which of the following is Longfellow's narrative poems on Arcadians? Which of the following is Longfellow's narrative poems on the Arcadians? Option A The Mask of Pandora, option B Caramus, option C Ultima Thule and option D Evangeline. So which one is the correct answer? Evangeline. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D Evangeline. Now question number 249. Kavanagh by H.W. Longfellow is A. Option A semi-autobiographical romance, option B historical novels, option C semi-autobiographical prose tale and option D poetic tale. So which one is the correct answer? Kavanagh by H.W. Longfellow is a semi-autobiographical prose tale. Option C is the correct answer. Now, question number 250. What is the other name of Longfellow's The Seaside and the Fireside? What is the other name of the Longfellows? The seasides and the fireside. Option A, the building of the ship. Option B, the mariner's choice. Option C, the anchor. And option D, the ship and the rudder. The ship and the rudder. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, the building of the ship. The building of the ship. Now question number 251. Which of Longfellow's following poem is dramatic poem on medieval Germany? Medieval Germany. Option A, Hiawatha. Option B, the Golden Legend. Option C, Ultima Thule, and option D, poems on slavery. Poems on slavery. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer of 251? Option B, the Golden Legend. The Golden Legend is the correct answer. Now question 252. Which of the following is a poetic drama by Longfellow? Which of the following is a poetic drama by Longfellow? Option A, Ultima Thule. Option B, In the Harbor. Option C, Hiawatha. And option D, the Spanish drama. So the correct answer is option D, the Spanish drama is a poetic drama by Longfellow. Now question number 253. Which of the following is not work of Longfellow? Which of the following is not the work of Longfellow? Option A, Hyperion. Option B, The Belfry of Bruges. Option C, Atalanta in Calydon. And option D, Evangeline. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, Atalanta in Calydon is the correct answer. Now question number 254. Dear friend, these are very important, very useful question for competitive exam. तो इसी प्रकार के questions को आप बार बार सुनिए ताकि आपको ये अच्छे से याद हो सके. Beside being a poet, Swinburne was also known as. Beside being a poet, Swinburne was also known as. Option A, critic. Option B, essayist. Option C, biographer. Option D, short story writer. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, critic. Now question number 255. Now question number 255. Which of the following is a lyrical drama? कौन सा ड्रामा? Which of the following is a lyrical drama by A.C. Swinburne? Option A, Queen Mother and Rosamund. Option B, Tristram of Lyonesse. Option C, The Sisters. And option D, Rosamund, Queen of the Lombards. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Queen Mother and Rosamund. Queen Mother and Rosamund. Now question number 256. 256. Name the work of Swinburne in which he revolts against the moral repressiveness of the dominant middle class attitude to sex. Option A, Astrophel. Option B, Channel Passage. Option C, Poems and Ballads. And option D, both well. Option D, both well. So which one is the correct answer of 256? Again, the question is name the work of Swinburne in which he revolts against the moral repressiveness of the dominant middle class attitude to sex. Option A, Astrophel. B, C. कौन सा जो होगा इसमें सही होगा? तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन सी, पोएम्स एंड बैलेड्स. 256 poems and ballads. Now question number 257. Now go to Marino Falieri, The Sisters, and Rosamund, Queen of the by dash are A.C. Swinburne's. Option A, poems. Option B, plays. Option C, novels. And option D, essays. So the correct answer is option B, plays. Now question number 258. Now question 2. Maurice and Swinburne belong to the school of poetry which rejected didacticism or moralization as one of the aims of poetry. What is the school called? Option A, Edwardian school. Option B, pre-modern school. Option C, pre-Raphaelite school. And option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C. Now question number 259. 259. Swinburne got the inspiration for writing songs of the spring tides and studies in songs from the option A, Moor. Option B, C. Option C, spring. And option D, mangrove. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B, C. Now question number 260. Now question number 260. Love's Cross Currents by A.C. Swinburne is A. Option A, lyric. Option B, poem. Option C, play. And option D, novel. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Love's Cross Current by A.C. Swinburne is a novel. Now question number 261. Swinburne wrote the plays in the Elizabeth style. One of them is Bothwell. What is the other one? Option A, Astrophel. Option B, Tristram of Lyonesse. Option C, Chestland. And option D, Erechtheus. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Chestland. Now question number 262. Which one of the following is not a work of Swinburne? Option A, Tale of Balin. Option B, Eden Bower. Option C, The Age of Shakespeare. And option D, Channel Passage. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of 262 is the option B, Eden Bower. Eden Bower. Now question number 263. One of the following is not work of criticism by Swinburne. Which one is? Option A, Study of Milton. Option B, Study of William Blake. Option C, A Note on Charlotte Bronte. Option D, A Study of Victor Hugo. So option A, Study of Milton is the correct answer. This is the second last question of this video, dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe Pankaj Institute of English. Question number 264. George Meredith was educated in option A, America. Option B, France. Option C, Italy. And option D, Germany. So which one is the correct answer? Option D, Germany is the correct answer. Now this is the last question. Meredith's writings were greatly influenced by German novelists. Option Gerhard Richter. Option B, Jean-Paul Richter. Option C, Holwesky Richter. Option D, Algernon. Option D, Algernon Richter. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B, Jean-Paul Richter. So this is the last question. Thank you for watching this video, dear friends.